Infographics and dashboards are powerful tools for condensing complex data into easily digestible formats. Infographics are visual representations of information, often using icons, images, and minimal text. They are great for simplifying data-driven stories, making statistics engaging, and providing a quick overview of key insights. Dashboards are interactive displays that consolidate multiple visualizations into a single interface. They are ideal for real-time monitoring and decision making, offering dynamic views of data. Dashboards help users explore data from different angles, empowering them to draw their own conclusions. In this case, whatever we are showing in this, whatever the display bar charts or geopandas and pie charts, all these things, if we are giving based on some data, it will be displaying like this. If you give alter the data by using some interactive buttons or other things, the data and the graphics will be shown in differently. So that is where the dashboard. So infographic is a single view. When we have some play buttons or other things or data entry points, different data entry points, that becomes the dashboard. Both infographics and dashboards are essential in modern data storytelling, enabling you to present data in a way what's visually appealing and readily understandable to your audience.